Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your size in the About You app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the About You app. And here, after it loads, it opens up in the shop menu where we have our feed, where you can select clothes, everything. But from here we have to go into the account menu in the bottom right corner. Here we find your sizes, and if we tap on this, then we can select and add the different kinds of sizes that are available here. So for example, we can add our waist size, our clothing size, our U size, our shoe size, and our leg length. So that way the app is going to be able to personalize recommendations much better. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.